As you navigate through a document, you may have a need to move forward or backward a specific number of lines. This is easy to do using Word's Go To feature, as you discover in this quick tip. There may be times when you want to jump forward or backwards in a document. Word makes it easy to jump in either direction by a certain number of lines. You can see that I have a document on the screen here, and I've chosen to display line numbers at the left side of this document. That will help us see how this jumping feature works within Word. The way that you jump forward or backward is to use the Go To feature in Word. And the fastest way to access this feature is to press the F5 key. That displays the Find and Replace dialog box, and the Go To tab is selected. At the left side of the dialog box, you want to make sure that you indicate that you want to go to a line. If it's not selected in your dialog box, all you have to do is click on the word line, and that'll indicate that that's what you want to do. Now you need to specify how many lines you want to move. If you enter a positive number, you'll jump forward in the document. If you enter a negative number, you'll jump backward. So, for instance, if you want to jump backward by 7 lines, all you'd have to do is type -7, and then go ahead and click on either the Go To button, or you can just press Enter if you want to. I'm going to click on Go To. Notice that we're on line 25 up here, and now if I click on Go To, notice that we've brought line 18 within view in the screen. And I close the dialog box, and you can see that the insertion point is at the beginning of line 18. Now there's something important here to note. Previously, the insertion point was on line 25, but it wasn't at the beginning of the line. The Go To feature, when you are going to a specific line relative to where you are, it always goes to the beginning of the line that you specify. It should also go without saying, but you cannot jump beyond either the beginning or end of the document. Word won't allow such an action, even if it were possible. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.